Hello, wish you a cheerful morning to all of you. As we are in continuation with the topic chemical properties of metal, we have completed reaction of metals with oxygen and reactions of metal with water. If you have skipped my videos, then you can see the description box. Link is available in the description box. Today our third property, that is reaction of metals with dilute acid. This is very important and very easy. इंटरेस्टिंग भी है. देखिए, मोर रिएक्टिव मेटल्स व्हेन रिएक्ट विद एसिड. एसिड्स क्या होते हैं? एसिड्स आर दो सब्सटेंसेस विच लिबरेट H plus ion in aqueous solution. According to Arrhenius concepts, acids liberate H plus ion, that means hydronium ion, in aqueous solution. If more reactive metals, that is when react with HCl, H2SO4, then they displace the hydrogen gas forming salt. Less reactive metal do not react with the above acid to produce H2 gas. Which are more reactive metal and which are less reactive metal? Question arises here. According to reactivity series, we can conclude which one metal is more reactive than the other one. Here we can see sodium potassium react violently with dilute HCl to form chlorides and evolve hydrogen gas. And you have to tell me what is the sound of hydrogen gas. मैग्नीशियम का क्या नेचर होता है? इट रिएक्ट्स क्वाइट रैपिडली बट रिएक्शन इज लेस विग्रस. रैपिडली रिएक्ट करती है बट रिएक्शन इज लेस विग्रस देन कैल्शियम. इन केस ऑफ कैल्शियम, कैल्शियम रिएक्ट्स विग्रसली, less reactive than sodium and potassium. That means in sodium, potassium, calcium and magnesium, which one metal is more reactive? Sodium and potassium, these are more reactive as compared to calcium. In case of sodium and potassium, potassium is more reactive than that of sodium. And in four of the metals, magnesium is least reactive in nature. You can see the reactivity series here. K, Na, Ca, Mg, Al, Zn, Fe, Cu, Hg, Ag, gold and platinum. You can see here the metal which is last of the reactivity series is the least reactive metal, and which is foremost at the reactivity series, that is most reactive in nature. Zinc reacts slowly with dilute HCl to form salt, that is zinc chloride. Copper, HgAu do not react with dilute HCl and H2SO4. Fe reacts slowly, which gives iron chloride and produce hydrogen gas. As you know, gold and platinum are least reactive in nature, so they do not dissolve in HCl, HNO3 or H2SO4, so they are known as noble metals. But जब आप इनको dissolve करना चाहते हैं, if you have to dissolve gold and platinum, then you should take a mixture of aqua regia. What is aqua regia? Aqua regia is 3:1 solution of HCl and HNO3. आप इसको ऐसे भी मेमोराइज कर सकते हैं, 3:1. दैट मीन्स देखो 3 यहाँ पे है, क्रॉस में आपको याद रखना है. कई बार कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, ये फ्रिक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन है. व्हाट इज एक्वा रिजिया? दैट मीन्स 3:1 mixture of HCl and HNO3. In Latin words, aqua regia means royal water. That means the liquid which comes out, in which fumes are coming out and which is highly corrosive in nature. Gold and platinum dissolves. क्यों डिजोल्व कर जाते हैं एक्वा रिजिया में? ड्यू टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ नेसेंट क्लोरीन. नेसेंट क्लोरीन, दैट इज freshly removed chlorine, attacks the gold and platinum. Here you can see HCl and HNO3, formation of nascent chlorine, and NOCl is formed, removal of chlorine, which reacts with gold and platinum and form AuCl3 and PtCl4 respectively. Okay friends, I will share you an activity to study the compare reactivity of metals such as magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, copper with dilute HCl. That means reaction of some metals with dilute HCl. HCl is same for all metals, but you have to test which one metal is more reactive and which is least reactive on the basis of observation. Okay, here we have taken 6 test tube, 5-6 metal pieces अलग अलग मेटल के पीसीज आपको डाल लेने हैं, Mg, Zn, Fe, Pb एंड Cu. पुट दीज मेटल इन दी 6 टेस्ट ट्यूब सेपरेटली, अलग अलग आपको टेस्ट ट्यूब में हर सॉल्यूशन को डालना है. एड 5 ml ऑफ डाइल्यूट HCl टू दी ईच टेस्ट ट्यूब. अब आपको 5 ml HCl है वो आपको टेस्ट ट्यूब में रखना है, हर टेस्ट ट्यूब में आपको इक्वल अमाउंट में HCl रखना है. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व एंड नोट द टेम्परेचर. आपको टेम्परेचर को, कलर को ऑब्जर्व करना है और आपको थर्मोमीटर है वो आपको हर टेस्ट ट्यूब में पुटअप करना है. What will you observe? You will observe that this type of observation, magnesium which reacts fast. Fast कैसे पता चलता है? Bubbling होती है. Bubbles of colorless gas are rapidly formed. Means जैसे यहाँ पर फर्स्ट टेस्ट ट्यूब में आपने डाइल्यूट HCl डाला या जिस टेस्ट ट्यूब में मैग्नीशियम है, that the formation of bubbles rapidly form. Zinc moderately fast reaction. Bubbles of colorless gas means less than that of magnesium. Iron slow evolution of colorless gas. Lead very slow reaction, and in case of copper no change of temperature and no reaction takes place. The reactivity of metal can be judged by evolution of colorless gas, bubbles of hydrogen, and the reactivity of above metals can be seen here. Magnesium, which is most reactive among these four. Zinc is less reactive as compared to magnesium, then iron, after that of lead. Okay friends, this is the observation table and this is the activity which can be frequently asked in CBSE exam. Hope so far you have cleared all these terms and these all very important reactions of metals with water, metals reaction of metals with oxygen, and reaction of metals with dilute acids. Okay, thank you. Thank you friends. Please comment, like and subscribe.